ano yung mga dapat gawin ng Ateneo if you were to be asked? Nandiyan na eh. 2 days yung lumipas, marami silang missteps, tanggapin na natin yun. Kumbaga, let's acknowledge that. No? Maraming hindi nagawa. So what can be done? What can be done moving forward?
I think there has to be a human face that is speaking. Well, I would, and I don't mean to make this sound so corporate and or machine-like kasi yun yung naging problema ng Ateneo ngayon eh. So far, lahat ng communications nila, grabe, sobrang clinical. Sobrang, again, it's almost cold. I
Tsaka
would
English
put a
na
human
English, no?
face.
Okay ba
English
yan?
na English. Well, honestly, dapat yan in-intersperson mo ng konting Filipino yan. Or at least a Tagalog translation if you're going to put it on print. Kasi, again, lahat ng kababayan natin nakatutok dito. So, kailangan meron kang version na naiintindihan din ng karamihan. But again, a human face should be out there and follow the 4R framework. How many times have I talked about this 4R framework on Facts First? My goodness, here I am again talking about it, diba? The first one is regret. We are sorry this happened. This is a terrible tragedy. Nagawa naman yun. Then reassurance. We assure you we are taking this seriously. We assure you that we will give you information as it comes. We assure you that we are just collecting our bearings. We're gathering. Of course, said in a better way, no? Pero ito yung spirit ng ano. Diba? Reassure everybody that oy, siniseryoso ito ng Ateneo community. Hindi namin we're not gonna sweep this under the rug. We are giving this the attention it deserves and that the people deserve. Reassurance. Yung last 2 hours, yung medyo dyan talaga tayo medyo welcome eh. Medyo nagkulang talaga yung aming eskwelahan, ano. Restitution. Where was the restitution? Why did the families have to fly on their own? Why were the families kept in the dark? Dapat yan inalagaan na. Give them the respect they deserve and the ability to grieve, diba? Without thinking of booking flights, without thinking of making funeral arrangements, etc., etc. Restitution. Where is the restitution? And the last one is reform, diba? Kasama sa restitution yung we will re-examine this program. We will look at this program more closely and see if it still lives up to the basic tenets of athlete safety, the basic tenets of humanity, the basic tenets of decency even. Di ba kasama yan sa restitution? We will take a good hard look at this. Mababanatan na naman ako sa comments, I'm sure, dahil puro na naman ako English. Yung huli natin is reform. Kung may kailangan baguhin. And I'm telling you right now, Christian, things cannot be status quo from now on. Pag yan naging status quo, moving forward, pagkatapos itong nangyari, something is wrong. Things cannot be status quo.
And that would be an insult to the memory of Baterbonia and
Divine. A besmirchment almost to the memory of Divine and to Rene and to, let's face it, allegedly di umano'y other athletes who went through the program and almost also di umano'y almost narrowly escaped the same fate. Alam naman natin lahat na Aurora yan eh. Hindi naman yan misteryo, di ba? It's not a mystery. We all know this is these are dangerous waters. These are very, very, hindi ito yung normal beach lang. Surfing point yun.
Tama. Ito alam basahin ko lang yung bahagi nung pinakahuling statement ng Ateneo. Very interesting sa akin to eh. And I felt Ateneo's being very, very careful with its language engineering in this part. Basahin ko. The university remains committed to caring for the Baterbonia and Adili families, supporting the team and coaching staff, and pursuing a careful and thorough understanding of the circumstances surrounding this tragedy. Yung careful and thorough understanding of the circumstances surrounding this tragedy. It's been how many days? 2 days, no? Ito pa rin yung
2 days.
linya. Hindi dapat ito yung unang statement. Forgivable yan, di ba? Pero by this time, hindi nyo ba nakausap yung coaching staff? Hindi ba sinabi sa inyo yung totoong nangyari? Hindi ba kayo nagduda kung merong cover-up dyan? Baka naman parang fraternity-like yung kulturang inimpose dyan over the years. Kaya tahimik yung mga tao. I mean, let's face it, di ba? Kung hindi man, aksidente man yan nangyari, ang point ko kasi rito, based on the information na lumalabas, dapat imbestigahan at least yung negligence. Why were these 2 students and the rest of the team put in that dangerous situation by people who were supposed to care for them, that were supposed to provide a safe environment for them in that training? At dahil hindi nangyari yun, at the very least may negligence.
Ano yung word na ginamit mo, Ian? Ano yung phrase na ginamit? Language what? The language what of it?
Engineering.
The language engineering of it. I cannot agree with you more because when you say, what was the word used? Understanding. So now, implicitly, ang iisipin ng tao, 2 araw na hindi nyo pa rin naintindihan kung ano nangyari. Understanding is iintindihin namin. We will try to understand what happened. It's been 2 days. Have you not understood what happened? After understanding, what is the next step? I'm sure by now you've understood what happened. Whether that be an act of God, a hazing-like culture, a boot camp that is beyond the capacities of normal athletes. Dapat naintindihan na yan by now. At dapat ngayon, ang pinag-uusapan na yung reform. Either the program will be canceled, there will be an investigation, the coaching staff will be called to task. So dapat by now, ganyan na yan. And again, I keep on saying this. It pains me to say that because I'm as blue as blue can get.
Tsaka itong isa rin sa mga nakikita kong comments, and this might even be unfair to Ateneo, unfairly or fairly, isa sa mga criticism against Ateneo na nababasa ko online, nagmumukhang ang priority yung winning culture ng school. Yung priority yung sports program. Kasi dito, at the end of the day, dapat meron accountability. At sa akin, binabanggit ko lagi nung may, siguro, I made a couple of posts about this. Full transparency and then accountability. Kasi parang wala pa sa statement ng Ateneo yung pangalawa, yung accountability. Yung full transparency, they didn't say it that way, pero mukhang yun yung gusto nilang sabihin, hindi ba?
In fact, we were speaking on the phone earlier, no, Ian, and you actually used a stronger word than accountability. You used the word justice.
Yeah,
there has to be justice.
Justice.
Diba? Whether it be negligence or whether there was ill intent, which I strongly doubt naman. I strongly doubt there was ill intent. Yun naman siguro ilalabang ko hanggang
that
sa
I agree with.
sa Supreme Court.
Walang may gusto na nangyari.
Walang ill intent naman yan. But there has to be accountability. Somebody has to account for that because the basic tenet here is trust. You've entrusted your son, diba, your child to an institution. So, trust ang pinag-uusapan dito. So, napakasakit talaga pag pinag-iisipan natin na ganito nangyari. And I don't know if I'm sure Ateneo realizes the gravity of all of this. I'm 100% sure of that. Yung winning culture, siguro I'll comment on that kasi marami nagsasabing this is what happens when a school trophy chases. This is what happens pag mas mahalaga ang UAAP championships kaysa sa welfare ng mga atleta. Siguro yon, I will strongly disagree with that dahil kung Ateneo po ay talagang ang habol lang ay winning culture at trophy chasing lang, siguro yung mga star player namin hindi namin hinayaan na mapunta sa ibang paaralan dahil sa academic requirements ng Ateneo. So I think that's a stretch. I don't think it's really win at all costs. I don't think there was malicious intent. But at the very least, you should look at, was there negligence? Did somebody not do due diligence? did somebody take unnecessary risk? Nilagay ba nila ang mga estudyante, ang mga bata sa isang posisyon na na-expose sila sa unnecessary and grave danger?
And if that were the case, someone must be held accountable.
Absolutely, 100%.
Heads must roll.
Again, the greatest injustice that will happen here, and I use that word very strongly, the greatest injustice that will happen here is kung status quo lang. If the season will start, and it will start in a couple of months. Nasa PhilOil na tayo, 'di ba? May pre-UAAP tournament na, nasa PhilOil na tayo. So the greatest injustice, if the season starts and the coaching staff is the same, the athletic director is still the same, and this big question mark of a training boot camp is still being implemented and done. That is the biggest injustice of all. Something has to change.